Are you prepared to change the way you cook? Because they produce crispy, golden perfection with up to 95% less oil than traditional frying, air fryers have taken kitchens by storm. There is an air fryer made particularly for you, whether you're a busy parent in need of quick evening dinners, a healthy fanatic trying to reduce fat, or a foodie who won't give up flavor. We've tested and selected the top 7 types that really deliver, from wireless probe smart ovens to tiny powerhouses ideal for small areas. Embrace restaurant caliber outcomes from your own countertop and bid adieu to greasy guilt. Your taste senses and waist size will appreciate it if you join us in our countdown to discover your ideal match. Number 7. Hone Enjoy. One of those kitchen appliances that truly deserves its counter space is the Hone Enjoy 12-quart dual basket air fryer. The ingenious 4-quart plus 8-quart configuration is the first thing you notice. For family-sized meals, you can cook a large main course and a small side dish simultaneously. This flexibility is really beneficial, particularly for hectic dinners. With one-tap settings for common items, the touchscreen is clear and simple to use. If you enjoy experimenting, you can also adjust the temperature and time. The auto pause and shaking reminder are 2 very useful features. Halfway through, it nudges you to toss the fries or nuggets. When you remove the basket, frying automatically stops, and it starts up again when you slip it back in. Another clever innovation is the dual and sync modes, which either align 2 distinct dishes so they complete simultaneously, or duplicate the identical settings to both baskets. Like other air fryers, especially thick or severely battered dishes may require some trial and error, but the quick air circulation does a superb job of getting food crispy with considerably less oil. Practically speaking, the cool touch handles and auto shutoff provide peace of mind, while the baskets are dishwasher safe and non-stick, making cleanup simple. You'll need some counter space because it's a little heavy, but in exchange, you get a multi-purpose cooker that can effortlessly prepare daily meals, snacks, and even modest feasts. Number 6. New Wave Bravo. The New Wave Bravo XL Pro feels more like a complete tiny oven that can replace half of your kitchen's equipment than a basic air fryer. The enhanced super convection technology, which circulates hot air significantly more quickly for speedier, crispier results, is its most notable feature. The top and bottom heaters can be adjusted independently, which makes it unexpectedly good for things like pizza, where you want a crispy foundation but precisely melted toppings. You can really tell the difference between air frying and roasting. You have a lot of control over how your food cooks thanks to its wide temperature range and various fan speeds. Its ability to cook consistently across several racks is what really sets it apart. It doesn't require tray rotation, so you can load it up and still achieve reliable results. Another significant benefit, particularly for poultry or roasts, is the integrated smart probe, which keeps an eye on the interior of your food and stops cooking when it's done, eliminating the need to guess. Even if you don't want to think too much, the cooking modes and presets make it suitable for daily usage. However, it takes up some counter space and may seem excessive for very tiny meals because all that power and versatility comes in a very large stainless steel body. Because there are so many settings, there is also a slight learning curve. Nevertheless, once you get used to it, you'll have a reliable, quick, and adaptable cooker that can air fry, bake, roast, toast, and more, all while maintaining a sturdy construction and ease of cleaning. Number 5. Chef IQ. The Chef IQ mini oven is obviously designed for those who value convenience and control, and it feels like a clever contemporary improvement over the standard toaster oven. You can bake, roast, air fry, dehydrate, toast, proof dough, and more with this tiny gadget that combines 11 cooking operations. It cooks more quickly and evenly than a standard countertop oven thanks to its powerful motor and adjustable fan speeds, which is ideal for hectic days. However, because of the strong airflow, you may need to watch lighter foods until you figure out when to use it. The way it integrates with the Chef IQ app is one of its best features. Cooking can be started, monitored, and adjusted from your phone. In fact, it's like having a personal sous chef. Additionally, the oven's touchscreen is super friendly and smooth, with clear notifications and feedback. Even though its footprint remains relatively small, it can accommodate small-sized meals as well, fitting a whole pizza or multiple slices of toast at once. The soft closed door, bright inside light, and rack indicator lights that inform you just where to put your food are just a few of the well-considered design elements. For more accurate readings, it can also be used with a smart thermometer. The drawback is that there is a learning curve because of all these clever features, and it could seem like more technology than is necessary for basic toast. Nevertheless, this oven seems really well-rounded if you're looking for a speedy, connected, and adaptable countertop oven that can handle nearly anything. Number 4. Casori. One of those devices that makes you question how you ever cooked without it is the Casori 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze Air Fryer. With a 3600 RPM fan and temperatures temperatures as high as 450 degrees Fahrenheit, its TurboBlaze technology is truly revolutionary and consistently produces crispy, golden results. Whether roasting, air frying, baking, or even dehydrating, the accurate 5-speed fan system and broad temperature range of 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit make it simple to achieve evenly cooked dishes. With plenty of volume and minimal counter space, the 6-quart square basket is ideal for family-sized meals. Cleanup is simple due to the non-stick, long-lasting, and heat-resistant ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray. Because the TurboBlaze operates below 53 decibels even at maximum speed, you also enjoy a quieter kitchen. You'll enjoy that it provides the same crispy texture as deep frying, with an up to 95% less oil guilt-free indulgence for all your favorite fried foods if you're watching your oil intake. Practically speaking, you can optimize cooking time without guessing thanks to the configurable preheat function. With 30 chef-tested dishes to get you started, the recipe book that comes with it is a pleasant extra. The only small drawback is that there is a brief learning curve if you wish to use all of its features. However, once you get the hang of it, this air fryer becomes a dependable, quick, and adaptable kitchen partner for everything from weekend feasts to midweek dinners. Number 3. Ninja. Cooking is made simpler, quicker, and healthier with the Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer. Food is given a golden, crispy finish with no oil thanks to its Air Crisp technology, which circulates superheated air at up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can accommodate up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of wings in the surprisingly spacious 5-quart basket and crisper plate, making it ideal for entertaining friends or family. You can roast, reheat, and even dehydrate food with this 4-in-1 appliance, which is more than just an air fryer. For hectic nights, frozen foods save a ton of time because they crisp up in a matter of minutes. Additionally, you get all the flavor and crunch without feeling guilty because it uses up to 75% less fat than standard frying. The crisper plate and non-stick basket are simple to clean, and the small size lets it fit on most countertops without being heavy. However, the 5-quart capacity may feel a little small for particularly large gatherings, even though it's ideal for everyday dinners. Additionally, it's not as adaptable as some of the larger multifunction ovens, but it does a great job of covering the fundamentals with just 4 tasks. All things considered, the Ninja 4-in-1 Pro is quick, effective, and dependable, ideal for anyone who wants tasty, crispy dishes without the added oil or hassle, all in a handy, user-friendly container. It makes cooking joyful and stress-free and is easy and compact. Number 2. Cuisinart. It's like having a tiny culinary powerhouse at your countertop with a Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven. It can toast, bake, convection bake, broil, grill, and even keep food warm thanks to its 8-in-1 versatility. Hot air circulates flawlessly thanks to the 1800-watt output and Air Advantage technology, providing your food a crispy, golden finish without compromising flavor. This oven produces reliable results quickly, whether it's for wings, fries, pizza, or a roast. Its 0.6 cubic foot interior is surprisingly big. One device can bake a 12-inch pizza, roast a 4-pound chicken, air fry up to 3 pounds of chicken wings, and toast 6 slices of bread simultaneously. You have complete control over your cooking thanks to the toast shade selector, 60-minute timer with auto shutoff, and temperature slider. The stainless steel interior, air fry basket, and non-stick reversible griddle make cleanup a breeze. Almost every cooking situation is covered with the accompanying oven rack, baking drip pan, and air fry basket, so you're prepared for anything straight out of the box. The drawback is that it requires a significant amount of counter space due to its larger footprint, which may be problematic in smaller kitchens. It can also take some time to become acquainted to all the settings because there are so many features. However, once you do, this toaster oven is a multi-purpose, dependable, and strong partner that can handle anything from simple weekday meals to larger family dinners, all while consistently producing crispy, tasty results. Number 1. Typhur. Having a smart kitchen assistant on your countertop is what the Typhur Sync oven is like. The integrated wireless meat probe, which monitors your food's core temperature in real time and immediately stops cooking when it reaches your chosen doneness, is its most notable feature. You can stop speculating about whether your steak or poultry is overdone. When paired with the Typhur app, cooking including multi-stage recipes can be monitored, adjusted, and controlled from any location, making it a stress-free experience for busy cooks. The 360-degree turbo convection system guarantees quick and even cooking. A 2400 RPM fan and 2 heating elements distribute heat thoroughly, resulting in crispy exteriors and juicy, soft interiors. This oven is not just quick but also adaptable. It can handle anything from weeknight dinners to experimental foods thanks to its 12 cooking modes, which include air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, prove, and keep warm. It also has 5 meat probe settings. It's ideal for families or meal preparation because of its 27-quart size, which can comfortably accommodate a 12-inch pizza, an entire 6-pound chicken, or 2 pounds of fries. The new AI recipe generator Refrigerator is another highlight. Simply take a picture of your ingredients or enter the name of the meal, and the oven will determine the ideal cooking parameters. The majority of accessories are dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy as well. The drawbacks include the need for space because it's a huge countertop appliance and a learning curve to become proficient with all the capabilities. However, once you get the hang of it, the Typhur Sink Oven feels like a sophisticated, adaptable, and accurate cooking partner that produces dishes of expert quality with little work. Here are 7 outstanding air fryers that will change your kitchen and improve your cuisine. You're investing in healthier, crispier, and more convenient cooking whether you go all out with the tech-savvy Typhur Sink Oven or opt for the more affordable Hone and Joy for family meals. Recall that the ideal air fryer is the one that most suits your area, way of life, and culinary goals. Are you prepared to create crispy magic? Start your air frying adventure right now by selecting your favorite from our list. Remember to subscribe to the Legit Pick channel for more frank evaluations, cooking advice, and product comparisons to help you make more informed purchases. Enjoy your cooking.